Hi friends, welcome to the 360 data. So today talking about how to split column by delimiter using Power Query editor. So I go to the Power BI Power Query editor. So I have the 5 examples. We can see how to split. So first example is the full name. Full name the column is the space is there. We want to split the column based on space. Select the column, go to the home tab. Here the split column by delimiter. Power BI automatically detect is the space. So you want change, then you can check the column colon semi comma equal sign. So whatever your case you can select. So any out of the list you can choose custom. You can add as whatever character you want to split that column you can. My case is the space I will select. So I'm here we having three options. So leftmost, rightmost, each occurrence. So we can check one by one. So first option I default the each occurrence. I will select and OK. See, each space it's splitting different columns. So first name, middle name, last name. So yeah. So next example same, but here the comma separator. So automatically Power BI detects comma. So I can use the first leftmost only split first comma only. Okay, I click OK. See, first comma only splitted. Here the another comma is there, but I am selected only the first comma. That's why it will splitted two columns. Next we can see here the hash symbol. I uh, right click also you can option there, split column by delimiter. Here I custom hash symbol. Now I use rightmost delimiter, means in last hash symbol only need to split. See, only the last hash symbol only is splitting to another column. So see the sixth row, the Jennifer, and is the between the hash symbol, but it will not take since we selected the options the rightmost of delimiter. Okay, so next example. So delimiter I can use see here advanced option. Here the split columns. So default option split in separating the two different columns, but you also use by rows as well. You want the records in rows, you can select the advanced option, select the rows, click. So before that only 8 rows, but here 19 rows. It will not creating the separate column, it will same column, it will creating the rows instead of. So that's all guy. So any doubts, comment in comment box. Any queries, any new ideas you want, you can type it. I will provide you next video. Thank you, bye.